What's up, THS? It's Anderson with your afternoon announcements. Thursday, the American Legion is inviting junior students to represent the area at the Badger Boys and Girls. Information is in the counseling office. The deadline is February 1st next year. Come celebrate with International Club this Thursday, December 13th. We'll be learning about the Filipino culture and eating Filipino foods provided by 10 o'clock. You'll be meeting after school in room 330 in Senor Juliat's room. Would you like to see what sled hockey and lacrosse is at Green Island Ice Arena? Games are Saturday at noon, 2 and 4, and on Sunday at 9 and 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. Come support sled hockey as well as Savannah Utesh and Logan Perry. Go Frost! DECA Bowling Night will be Monday, December 17th, starting at 6 o'clock at the Strike Zone. Cost to DECA students is just $5 for bowling, pizza, and soda. Non-DECA members may attend for just $9. See Mr. Briggs, room 214 for more details.